Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. With Mother's Day approaching, we thought we'd put our 2 cents in for some fun tech ideas, even for non-techie moms. The Klydoclock, K-L-Y-D-O clock, is a digital clock with a digital pendulum and chime, and a face that displays a wide range of art styles that change every day. The beautiful wood finish looks great too. The price, about $300 at Klydoclock.com. For an older mom or grandmother, JubileeTV is a set-top box designed to make watching streaming services and everything else much easier. And friends and relatives can use an app to assist from anywhere when needed. On top of that, it can display photos, and the camera with a privacy cover enables video conferencing too. And finally, for the kitchen, the Brava oven is a marvel that offers convenience and safety, cooking with light. You can find us at techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com, or just click on the link at techstination.com.